Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope everybody will be fine. Today in this short video lecture I will guide you for size of RCC footing, its depth and especially its steel reinforcement details in the construction of RCC footing for 2 to 3 story. That's why because most of the students they comments in comments box asking for this question for residential building, not for commercial building. So let's get started guys. As you can see guys, this is footing. So what should be the size of footing and its depth? Let me show you the depth here. This is its depth. This is ground level or soil level. This is top, you can say this is plan, and this is its section. Okay, so for first of all I will guide you for for 2 story. From 1 to 2 story you can say the first one is from 1 to 2 story residential building. Remember guys, the size of footing should be for residential building. If you don't have the soil test, if you don't know that what should be the size of footing, if you are working practically, this is especially for non-technical people. That's why because if you want to construct your house, so for that you need to hire the structural engineer to give you structural drawing for footing, beam, column, slab, foundation, etc. So this is especially for non-technical people. Okay, so from 1 to 2 story, the size of the footing should be footing size for 1 to 2 story. So you can keep guys from 3 by 3 feet. This is size of footing. It should not be less than from 1 to 2 story. If that is 1 story or 2 story, so as you can see guys, this is ground level and this is 1 story. On the top of this is second story. Okay, it means G, then G plus 1. It means this is 2 story. So for 2 story, 3 by 3, it should be the size of footing. As you can see, width should be 3 feet. So this is square footing, and 3 feet should be also the other side. Inside this we will construct the column. Okay, so I am not discussing the column, only we are talking about the footing. So the depth of the footing should be also not less than 4 feet in this case. So the depth should not be less than 4 feet. This is its depth from 1 to 2 story. So depth should be also 4 feet. This is from 1 to 2 story. Now guys, here is a question that how we can find the size of the footing. As I told you, this is actually this is for non-technical people. So if you need the proper formula, so I have discussed in many videos, so the link is in the description of this video, how to calculate depth of footing. So for that, first of all you will find the structure load of the building. According to structure load we will find the bearing also bearing capacity, because we have different bearing capacity for different types of soil. So in that case we will use the proper formula, which is called Rankine's formula, to calculate what depth of footing. So this is for non-technical people if you don't know about this, but it should not be less than 3 by 3 feet from 1 to 2 story, and the depth should not be less than 4 feet. Let me guide you for 2 to 4 from 2 to 3 story, but this is not for commercial building, this is for residential building. Okay, so 2 to 3 story, the size of the footing should be it should be 4 by 4 feet. It should not be less than 4 by 4 feet, and the depth should be not less than 4 feet. Okay, so 4 feet depth is also okay for 2 to 3 story. It means on the top of this we will also construct the other one. So this is G plus 2. It means 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 story building. So in this case the size of the footing should be 4 by 4 feet, and the depth should be also 4 feet, as I discussed from 1 to 2 story. So let me guide you inside steel reinforcement details for this. So guys, from 1 to 2 story from 1 to 2 story, you are able to use single mesh. Okay, as you can see guys, here I am providing the steel reinforcement. This is also I will guide you for its section. So single mesh we will provide here, and these are its steel reinforcement in the section. Okay, so let me show you here, same like this. Okay, so this is steel reinforcement mesh. So here guys, the dia of steel reinforcement inside mesh should be not less than 12 mm. This is the dia with the spacing of 150 by 150 mm, or you can say 6 inches, C/C, 6 inches. From one steel to the other steel, the spacing should be 6 by 6 inches, or 1 by 150 by 150 mm, you can say, or 15 by 15 centimeter, you can say. So this is for 1 to 2 story. So let me guide you for steel reinforcement from 1 to 2 story, steel reinforcement. Okay, so use 12 mm, okay, with the spacing of C/C is equal 6 inches, or you can say 150 mm. Got it? But it should be single mesh, not double mesh. Okay, single mesh. Next, for 2 to 3 story, we will provide double mesh. So double mesh means on same like this, we will make a kind of box like this. Okay, the spacing should be same, only we will provide the double mesh, and dia everything should be same as I discussed here. So 12 mm with the spacing of 150 mm. Got it? So this is the steel reinforcement details for 3 story. Got it? Next guys, you can see the hooks should be also provided here, hooks, or you can say development length also you can say. So it should not be less than, so it's depend, and also this depth, the bed depth should not be less than 12 inches. So inside this we will provide the double mesh, also you can provide the single mesh. In the case of single mesh, the depth should be 6 inches. In the case of double mesh, the depth should be 12 inches. On the top of this we have the total depth, which is 4 feet. So guys, this is the very important topic to know about depth of footing steel reinforcement from 1 to 2 story and from 2 to 3 story. Hope this video can help you. If you have any question related this topic, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.